Hey folks, I'm Lily, and I'm very happy to welcome to Learn Spanish Easily, where we make our classes as easy as a breeze at the beach. Ever wanted to come and learn Spanish conversations without any effort? You've come to the right place, where we make the learning as if you were with a friend at a sunny Spanish cafe. A good part is that it doesn't matter where you're at a beginner level or an advanced one. Our lessons are designed for all ages and all levels. It's never too late to learn. And the best part is that you can learn from anywhere you want. You can be in your living room sitting on your couch, you can be at the kitchen cooking, you can be in your bedroom in your PJs. It doesn't matter. It's all up to you. So, what are you waiting for? Come, subscribe, give us a like. Come join our community of Spanish learners. We are here to help you learn with fun, at ease, and you will get very confident, which is very important at the moment of learning a new language. Get ready to uncover a whole new world of opportunities in the Spanish language. Dare to learn with us. Come and become an expert in conversation. Be yourself, have fun, and last but not least, see you in one of our classes. Welcome again.